Hey guys, what's going on? COH099 here. Just brought this Victorinox knife today from Anaconda. Don't know the exact pronunciation of it, but if you're a knife enthusiast, you'll know what the logo is. It was originally $27, but I got the price down to $20. Well, it comes with a knife, of course, and that's sharp. I actually cut myself about 10 minutes ago because I was sharpening it. It comes sharp, but I just like it sharper. It also comes with, sorry about this, a file and stuff to get your nails, and also a Phillips and flathead screwdriver bit. It also comes with scissors. They're quite nice, spring loaded as well. Comes with tweezers, toothpick, just your standard toothpick that comes with your Victorinox, and same with the pliers. There's several different colours. Traditionally the red, but I'm not really a fan of red. I go traditionally white. It also, I saw it there with transparent green, transparent red, and transparent blue. Also there was green, as well as some other colours. There's pink there as well, which is pretty weird, but hey, who cares? I'll do some cutting test for you, but remember, this ain't stock, so I'm sharpening this, so I'll be back in a sec. Alright, paper out of my school planner. Get the knife out. Alright. Pretty sharp. Sometimes it touches the edge because don't know what I'm doing with sharpening, so I probably have to buy a proper sharpener. Yeah, it's not that crash up, but I don't care, I'm just carrying it for the sake of it. Actually, I'll probably carry my keys as well. I only carry my keys, during the weekend. I'm not carrying around when I go to school. Probably carry at school in my pocket though. Scissors are pretty decent. Just nothing special. Yep. And I think we're out, guys. Sorry about the long delay. Just trying to think what I can do, and as soon as I got this, I'm like, hey, we'll do this. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Don't really care if you don't, but I don't give a... Alright, thanks for your time.